It's International Women's Day, and the federal government of Nigeria is giving the women a gift in the form of quarterly soft loans of between 10 and 100,000 naira without collateral. With this, the women can engage in productive enterprise. This promise was delivered by the Minister of Women Affairs and Social Development in Ilorin, the Kwara State capital.
1.6 billion is taken out every 3 months and set aside out of the JIP money. So you will enjoy from the JIP money. You will enjoy from the JIP money, which is about 40 billion a year. And then every 3 months, you'll get 1.6, only exclusive for women. So when we finish eating in the big one, we now revert back to our own, the National Women Empowerment Fund. What do we want as women if not that? If we are careful, and you know women are good managers, you all know that one because you are all women. We are good managers, we have integrity, the repayment of loans. Therefore, taking this one and repaying will not be a problem at all.